Welcome to the YouTube channel Just Information. I hope you all are fine. Today we will learn class 8th chemistry chapter types of chemical changes and chemical reactions part 2. So our first topic is boiling of water. In boiling of water, first thing is water on boiling forms steam resulting in the change of state from liquid to gas. Its its volume also changes. Hence, change is taking place in physical properties like state, volume, density, color, temperature, etc. Second thing is happening. Both water and steam are composed of H2O molecules. During the transition from water to steam, the identity of molecules does not change. The chemical composition of the molecules remains the same. Third is steam on cooling. Once again changes to water, so we can generate the original substance by reversing the conditions. Such a change is called physical change. So by this boiling of water, the conversion of steam to again water vapor to gas and again that, this is called physical change. The process where a change is occurring only in physical properties without the identity of the molecule is called physical change. I will repeat. The process where a change is occurring only in physical properties without affecting the identity of the molecules is called a physical change. This was the definition of the physical change. Next, in a physical change, the chemical composition remains the same and the original substance can be regenerated by reversing the conditions. Hence, physical change is a temporary change. Let us see some more common physical changes we come across in our daily life. Common examples of physical change. First example is melting of ice. Melting of ice. Water in solid state on heating melts into liquid water. After that, water in liquid state further heating above 100 degrees Celsius changes into gaseous water. Gaseous water means vapor which on cooling forms liquid water. Further cooling of water makes it into ice. That is original substance. Second is magnetization of iron. Magnetization of iron. When a a piece of iron is rubbed with a magnet, it becomes magnetic. The molecules in it are rearranged uniformly and the iron bar in turn behaves as a magnet. On heating, the piece of magnet loses its magnetic property and becomes just a piece of iron again, without change in its mass. So this is also a physical change. After that, there is an interesting physical change. In general, physical change is characterized by change in the state, and the logical sequence would be, but there are some physical changes where the intermediate transition state of liquid is missing. The change occurs directly from solid to vapor state. This type of physical change is called sublimation. Examples: first is sublimation of camphor, second is sublimation of ammonium chloride, third is sublimation of iodine. Now our next topic is burning of LPG. In that, first is LPG consists mainly of butane gas, which on burning combines with oxygen in air to form two new compounds, carbon dioxide and water. Hence, change takes place in the chemical composition of the substance. Second is the reaction of butane with oxygen of air, as seen by the first reaction. In that reaction we have seen in part 1, C4H10 plus 13 by 2 oxygen molecule 2 gives us 4 CO2 plus 5 H2O plus heat. As seen from the reaction, the reactant is totally transformed into new substance which is composed of different molecules. Hence, the chemical composition of the original molecule changes. Third, from the reaction, it is clear that butane cannot be reobtained by any means. Hence, original substance cannot be recovered. Such a change is called chemical change. So, this type of changes are called chemical change. I will say the definitions 2 times. The process in which change is affecting the identity of a molecule by a change in chemical composition is called chemical change. Again, I will repeat. The process in which the change is affecting the identity of a molecule by a change in chemical composition is called chemical change. In a chemical change, the original substance cannot be regenerated, hence it is a permanent change. So, physical change was an temporary change, but chemical change is a permanent change. Few examples are, first is action of heat on copper carbonate. Action of heat on copper carbonate. A pinch of carbonate, a dull greenish solid, is heated in a dry test tube. A colorless gas is involved in a black resid is left behind the test tube. The gas is tested and identified as CO2, and the black resid is nothing but copper oxide. In the above reaction, two new compounds are formed whose composition is different from that of copper carbonate, and the formula is CuCO3 after heated converts into CuO plus CO2. Second is action of heat on lead nitrate. Action of heat on lead nitrate. A pinch of lead nitrate is taken in a dry test tube and is heated. A reddish brown gas involved and a yellow resid of lead oxide remixed with the test tube. In the above reaction, new compound which cannot be converted into the original substance are formed. Third example is burning of magnesium. A small piece of magnesium wire is burnt. The wire burns with a flash of light. This happens because magnesium combines with atmospheric oxygen forming magnesium oxide. 2 Mg plus O2 is converted to 2 MgO. In the above reaction, as a result of chemical change, the apparent weight of the substance formed differs the weight of the original substance. I hope you've understood this video. For any queries and doubt, please join the Telegram link given in the description of this video. Like this is the foundation of class 8th, we have covered the foundation of class 7th too. The links are given in the description of this video. Please go and check through it. I hope you've understood this. Thank you for watching.